Hey guys, Stephen Fielders here in the garage. Today we're looking at the BAK Industries BAKFlip MX4, and with BAK Industries we have Chris Fleeman. How you doing, Chris?
Doing awesome, Stephen. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming out today.
Thanks for having us.
Yes, sir. So tell us more about the MX4. What makes it stand out?
Well, Stephen, one of the great things about the MX4, if you take a look at it, it really doesn't stand out. That's the great thing about this cover. It blends in really great with your factory bed caps. If you notice how they kind of have that matte finish, so does the cover.
Okay.
And if you also notice it's textured. That's a really unique feature to the BAKFlip. It's got a textured matte finish and just looks really good on the truck.
It does, looks great. And it is your premium cover, so what makes it premium?
Well, one of the best features of the premium cover is actually the tailgate seal.
Okay.
Now the great thing about this cover here is if you open the tailgate, you put your cargo in it, you just close it. Or if you happen to already have your tailgate open, you can close your tailgate first, then you can just let your cover close. Okay.
Now this is made of aluminum, if I'm not mistaken, so it's pretty strong. How strong? Is it rated for any sort of weight, any sort of load on top?
Yeah, the cover is designed for like a evenly distributed snow load capacity.
Okay.
That's going to be 400 pounds.
All right, so Chris, the cover is obviously pretty easy to operate, but let's show our guys at home just how easy.
All right, once you get your tailgate open here, if you'll notice there's a cable right inside here. This is just an easy release. And what that does is just opens a slam latch. And then you just fold the cover forward. And it's real simple. You just repeat the process. Now, if you'll notice when you get in this position here, you see these straps. Yep. You'll just unclip this here, and you'll notice the clips that we installed on the cover earlier. You just clip that right in there. Okay. Now, if you want to travel down the road here, if you're clipped in, it's absolutely safe to do that. Now, Stephen, I want to show you the most exciting feature about the BAKFlip cover. Now, if you notice, we can lift this into the upright position. We actually give you your truck bed back. Great. It's the reason you bought your truck, right? Right. So, if you want to travel down the road in this position here, you take the pop rod, fasten your star nut down, and you actually drive down the road at highway speeds in this position. Stephen, since we've kind of gone over a lot of features, and let me show you how to close the cover. First thing you want to do is just put your prop rod here in the prop rod holder, and then you'll let gravity close the cover. Basically, these are slam latches, so as you're closing it, the gravity helps lock it into place here.
All right, Chris, we've walked through the demonstration of the cover. One question remains though, and that's about security. I don't notice any locks on the top anymore. Tell us about that story. Well,
Stephen, if you notice, I was telling you when we were closing the cover, it was locking them into place. All of our locks are from inside the bed of the truck. So when you actually close your tailgate here, now most trucks have a factory OE lock. And that's what makes this a secure compartment.
Right, guys at home, so as far as the installation difficulty and timeline goes, I'm going to give this about a 3 out of 10, so pretty straightforward to do on your own or with a buddy. And as far as the timeline goes, you can probably make this happen in under an hour. So Chris, what are your thoughts?
Stephen, what I always tell people is if you can change your oil, you can install a BAKFlip. Okay. And most of the time it takes it more to take it out of the box and get rid of the box than does even install the cover.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, so that's a wrap. A couple more things to note is that this product is made in the United States of America, so quality is a major factor in its build, and also comes with a 3-year warranty should anything go wrong. Chris, man, thanks again for coming out today.
Stephen, thanks for having us.
Yes, sir, it's been a great pleasure. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about this cover, please check the description below. We'll have everything listed for you there, as well as a part number and even a dealer locator, so you can find this cover at a dealer near you. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.